Hi, I'm Kamaksha. In this video, I'm going to talk about a special feature called AI console in SADSA. So let me open the SADSA. So in my previous video, I've explained about how to use Python console. SADSA is actually meant for both type of users who is into GUI as well as GUI. So it is a Paka graphic user interface, and all the activities can be performed using GUI without touching CUI. But there are a few, at times people like me, I'm interested to do things in CUI, character user interface. For them, Python console is available. Now I am going to talk about the AI console, a special feature available in the application. What is this console? AI is integrated in SADSA in 3 different levels as a chart facility to interpret the reports, analysis results, and then to create research articles and reports, etc. Currently, I'm going to talk about the first level integration, that is AI chart facility. Now, before going to open this console, I need to have the data set in the data preview panel. Okay, then only AI console will catch that data, and then, so as usual, I'll input my routine data set. It is recorded by .csv. Now go to the AI console. When you open the AI console, you'll find this information here. So the AI console is going to read your data and understands. Get ready for your conversation. Ready for the conversation. Now let me say hi. Okay, so that and one more thing. See, there are different models installed in my computer. Actually, these models were installed by me. So when you install this application, you have to go to the manage models. So when you click on this manage models, so this opens model manager. So currently I have a few models installed in my computer. You can just click on any of these download buttons and then get the model of your choice into your computer. Then those models will be available under here, this. So right now I'm going to converse with the DeepSeek model. So I have typed hi and then send this prompt to the model. Let me see what's going to be. I'm just going to pause my video and come back after I get some response from the model. Okay, it has responded to me. Had responded to me, hey, how can I assist you today? I would like to know about current data set in the app. So let me see. I think it started responding to me after a while. That is because my computer is not fast enough to catch the response from the model. Okay, it started telling me like, yes, you got some dataset in your data preview panel, and if you want to know something about your dataset, then execute a statement df.info. So this you can do on using GUI. GUI is perfect in this application. This is for those individuals who would like to do a little more other than what is available in the graphic user interface. So you can ask a number of questions and get the response from the model, and then use that code using Python console. So this Python console, AI console, these are the 2 special features in the application that will let you know how you can work around your data set. Now let me look into the response and understand what I need to do in order to know about. See, it caught all the variables perfectly. Usually it catch all the variables perfectly, and then this dataset contains 26 rows and 20 columns with various data types such as strings, numbers, and all that. So it understood very well. And then if you want to know about the dataset, that is df.info. This is what I should do. And then in order to offset or make a subset of the numeric variables, if I want to take all the numeric variables and create a subset, then I have to execute this statement, df.select underscore dtypes include numeric, columns, something like that. And then after that I can perform some correlation analysis also. So how can I use this code now? So if you would like to use this code, you have to press this button, export results, then export to file. There are different ways you can export. I want to export this into a docx file. So I'm going to a particular directory called reports, and there I will save this as, I need to remember this one, 847, right? Now let me open this file. Excuse me. Okay, so where is my code? So I have asked my model, how can I, let me have something, sprint df.info. Let's do it. So this time, in order to perform this, I will execute the statements, I have to open the Python console. So that is the actually dependency between the Python console and AI console. Python console is to execute the statements, and AI console is to know or learn what we can do on. You can do this as well on using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, online web apps, but you need to upload your dataset into those browser-based GenAI apps. Then those apps will understand your dataset, and they will respond the way it is being done in the application. But since we already have the dataset in the context, so this conversation will be around that dataset only. That is actually the purpose of. Now let me open this Python console. So I already have copied it, it seems, yes, and I pasted it here, and then enter. So this is about info. Now I got all this. It is telling me there are 26 entries, and then these are the columns, and these are the different data types. Let me go back to my report, AI chart report. Now this is the statement which creates a subset of the numeric data variables. Okay. By the way, you can do all these activities using graphic user interface in this same app. This is for those individuals who would like to move a bit ahead, like tweak the power of Python and do a bit more. Kind of, you can, when you open the console, you have enormous opportunities. But in GUI, only those things which are being provided through menus and buttons, right? So that is actually the intention of. Now I pasted it here. I'm just creating a subset of my. I think seemingly it was done. Now let me take the. Okay, this time we are going to create a correlation matrix, right? So now paste it here, enter. I think core is not there, it seems. Numeric calls dot core. Something went wrong, this is not working on. So let me know what is type of numeric calls. It's pandas, it should work. Numeric calls dot core. No attribute core. Okay, fine, no problem. So I think this is not working on. So let's so I'll go back and copy this same thing into the chart window. I will ask this question. AI console, go back to AI console. Error. Let's just do it. Okay, it's giving me some information like to address the error. Let's first understand why numeric calls core is causing, and then it started giving me some troubleshoot. Once again method. Okay, this time a different logic. Okay, so again, export this into. I would like to stop my video here, otherwise it will be going on and on, having no end. So this is, I just would like to talk about this special feature, AI console, and its purpose. So what is the learning in this video cast? So chat with the AI model and engage in conversation and get rid of your doubts, and then get the code use that code, export the code into reports and into documents, and then use that code in the Python console, and tweak the app and use unending opportunities of the Python. So this is what is actually the aim and idea of this video cast. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the new content. Bye bye for now.